I love to shop quality bags on affordable price.
I like it, but it's not okay. Whatever, can I walk away? Oh yeah, I can still see your face, so tell me what to do.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be unboxing some of the bags and shoes I got for Fashionette. If you are not new to my channel, you guys know I always shop on Fashionette. Fashionette is a website where you can get your designer's bag, your designer's accessory, your designer's shoe, and the amazing part is that they are always on sales. Right now, let's dive right into the video. We are going to be unboxing this big bag. I can't wait for you guys to see what is inside this. This is all the goodies. These are all the goodies I got from Fashionette. First bag is from Micheal. This bag is giving me a rich vibe, like I'm a rich girl. See how beautiful this bag is. Oh my god, I love you, baby. See how beautiful the bag is. Oh my goodness, you want to see that? Trust me, you want to see this. So the bag is from Micheal. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the right way, but I know that I'm in love with this bag. I'm in love with this. I'm totally in love with this bag. This bag is giving me like that rich vibe, like a rich girl vibe, you know what I mean. Let's see what is inside my bag. I think my battery is about to die, so I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my camera right away before my camera misses my video. So this is the bag that come along with it. I also have this like a big handle, which if I want to carry, so which I can just switch to a bigger hand. And this is how it looks like at the front, and the bag, trust me, is very, very light. You guys, this bag is so beautiful. That is all I can say. It's so beautiful, guys. Enough of this, guys. Let's move on to the next one. You are not ready for the next one I'm about to show you. Oh my god, I have a lot of Moschino's bag right in my wardrobe. Not because I don't love any other bag. I love Moschino's design because they always come with something new, something different, something you will love to have in your closet. So guys, this is how the bag looks like. So let's open it. You don't want to see this. Oh my goodness. With this bag right here, I just want to walk to that beautiful restaurant and drop my bag on the table and order for a glass of champagne and let the bag speak for me. You guys, this bag is so beautiful. Please take your time. Just take your time to admire this bag. Take your time to admire this beautiful bag from Moschino, and this is how the back looks like. Oh my god, why are you this beautiful? I'm becoming so dramatic just because I'm in love with this very bag. This bag is a must have. I'm telling you to go and grab yours right away. And you also have like a long hand, which you can just use it as a crossing bag. So this is the second bag I got from Fashionette. This is one of the newest baby in my closet. Thank you for coming. You're welcome to my beautiful closet. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is also a bag from Guess. I'm loving all this bag. Every beautiful girl right there deserves this bag. Yes. It also comes with an extra hand, which you can just use it as a crossing bag. It's a bag from Guess. I also have a couple of Guess bags in my closet, and this is one of the newest baby in my closet. So this very bag right here deserves a special place in my beautiful wardrobe, and I'm going to treat you nicely. And thank you for coming. I love you. Let's open it and see how the inside looks like. So this is how the inside looks like, with a lot of paper inside. I don't want to stress myself. So this is how the bag looks like. It's so beautiful. I'm really loving it already. And what are you waiting for? If you want to get something beautiful like this and you have the money, just log on to www.fashionette.com. So I'm going to drop the link on the description box where you can just click it. This is the last one, and it's a shoe from Stephen Madden. Is it Stephen Madden? The next one and the last one is a shoe from Stephen Madden. Is it Madden? Did I pronounce it well? Well, I don't know. I don't really know the name of those designers. All I know, I love good things and I'm going for the ones I can afford. So this beautiful baby right here, you see this shoe right here? I just want to go for that dinner date. I just want to go for that dinner date with my beautiful baby right here and walk to that beautiful restaurant and let my shoe do the talking for me. Like, I got no time for you to speak to me. Let my shoe do the talking for me. My normal size is 40. Just that I love this shoe and I can't let it go just like that. And I have to get the size 39. It's the only available size right there. So I just want to go for it. Take your time to admire it. Look at it, girl. Just look at it, girl. This is the last one I ordered from Fashionette. I ordered 3 bags and a pair of shoes, which really cost me a lot, I must confess. So this is the end of the video and thank you all for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye.